Okay, thank you very much to join this afternoon's session. My topic is try to take some exploration on the very hot topics, the generative AI applications in telecom industry, and also doing some research on the open source models, especially for the large language models. I'm very sorry that my major part of the slides are in Chinese, and my colleague Changjing Wang can't be here since he's in a business trip to Singapore. So I will do it myself. As you know that after OpenAI showed their capabilities of the ChatGPT, everybody is excited on the new power of the AI, and we can imagine wish we have a lot of power to enlarge our applications, and we have a new method to use AI, and also we have a lot of vertical industry has some potential growth with these technologies. Besides that, there is still some weakness we should encounter in our using these technologies, especially on multiple type of materials, except texts, and also we have to update our knowledge base for the model, and also it introduced some security and privacy issues to our applications for AI. In this slide, I wanted to introduce some, we can easily to see some application in our telecom industries. The first one is the network management. With the ChatGPT, with the large language model, we can easily to think we will encounter some scenarios such as the infrastructures analysis, the health of the infrastructure, and also to detect some abnormal in our logo files. And also we can dig into the for the factor of the warning in the network failures to and also for the end users service experience, we can imagine we can have more new services, such as we can use our camera and microphone to learn the situation near the end users. Then we can help them to gain more new immense experiences. And also AI also will take the enterprise into to help them to accelerate the developing of the software, and also to influence more vertical industries with AI technologies. This slide shows the evolution of the large language models. You can see a lot of companies have some new models. Some are open sourced and some is closed. Some project is closed. And also we have a new Hugging Face Expo repos for AI related technologies for open source. From this slide, we can see we should consider to, if we training our own large language model by ourselves, but this will cost you a lot of resources and powers. But we can also use some basic fundamental models to leverage their power to enhance our current applications. From these slides, we can learn that there's some fundamental models. They have already open sourced. Some one are free to use for business use. Some are not. And also some, like ChatGPT of OpenAI, they are not open. And in this slide, we also try to consider how we can select the pre-training large models. The first, if it can be used in your business. The second one is what's the fact of this model. And also for the Chinese company, we should also consider if it is used, can be used in Chinese environment, Chinese language environment. Also, we should consider if it can be used at a local services for privacy and security. And also, in this slide, we mentioned that in different situations, we can use different technologies or approach to using the large language model. The first one is the prompt engineering. It is used in some high prices and situations. So you cannot, you could not, you may not to change the training side for the parameters of the model. And in the inference end, a lot of tasks can share one model. The second one is used in on some situation like without any uncertainty. Then we can use the fine-tuning. So in training side, we can use some little domain knowledges into the model parameters, and we can to avoid large power of the computation. In the inference end, we can the different tasks needed to deploy different model. And the last one is used to in the area that we need to update the knowledge frequently. And we can use the language chain to enhance our inference model. So different tasks can share one model, but with different plugins of the knowledge base. Here we use our ZT's solutions as an example. We have the application layer on the top and the platform layer in the middle. And also we have the infrastructure like the computation, storage, and networking. In these solutions, we have emphasized the large-scale computations with different approach of the computation chips and integration and scaling and so on. And also, we need to use hybrid storage for this usage, for these applications. And also, we need to use the lossless network technologies for the networking of the infrastructure. And also, for the last one is our application platform for detail. We have the developer environment, execution platform, and also the capability in the bottom of this platform. As the last, we share some consideration for how telecom industry to collaborate on the large language model. First, we can share a baseline of the model based on the open standards, the data set for pre-training. Secondly, the operator can provide their own extra training data set for tuning for the model used in the production environment. Also, we need compliance and to fulfill the regulations and license requirements. Also, we should consider the security and privacy as a guideline based on the open standard specification. That's all for my sharing. Thank you.
Any questions for you?
A great presentation. Do we already discuss with Hugging Face how to collaborate with Alphage or Alphen?
I'm sorry, I have not do this. I think if we, in the future, we can try to collaborate with them. If they can do some help with such as ALF networking, ALF AI plus data, something like that. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I actually is going to have a meeting with Hugging Face this Friday to discuss how we leverage their Hugging Face model for the edge computing and relative to Alphage AI Edge proposal. I'm going to talk in the next talk. And if you have any specific ask, I can piggyback. Yeah, and I think they have good models for training, but speaking of the memory constraint or the ultra-low latency for edge computing, I think they probably need some optimization on the Hugging Face model. Yeah. Let me know how I can help. I try to sync up and synergize between Alphen and Alphage to see whether we can better use or leverage Hugging Face the best. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you for your suggestion. That for my company, our product line is considered to using different kind of optimization on the hardware and the software to fulfill the requirement for the large language model, yeah, for the training and also for the inferencing, yeah. But also, I think even in the Linux Foundation, we have a lot of foundations, umbrellas. They are also consider how AI or large model can help us to go further, yeah, to get more influence, get more power from the AI technologies. So, but in this time, everyone has a different picture on how we can do this and what's our object on this. So we really need some discussion to have some common understanding on this. So I think in the future, we definitely need to discuss with Hugging Face, especially with your help.
Yeah,
Tina.
I'll keep you updated and to see how we can leverage Hugging Face, or we don't need them We don't need a collaboration, but you can still do it from the hardware, software point of view, from your products. Yeah, either way works. Yeah.
Thank you.